Welcome everybody. How are we all going out there, guys? Today we're going to do a quick ICO review of something called IAGON. Welcome to IAGON. I love the name, IAGON. Sounds like something off Lord of the Rings, if you're a Lord of the Rings fan. So I've decided I want to try and make my ICO reviews a little bit quicker. Last one took about 30 minutes, 35 minutes. So I want to try and get them to 15 minutes if I possibly can. So without further ado, let's just get to it. Now, what is IAGON? IAGON, here you go. We revolutionized the cloud. Imagine a world that it's gone. Imagine a world. Imagine IAGON. Okay, that lost us already. Imagine a world with a global computational grid more powerful than a supercomputer. Wow, imagine that world, guys. Vision. Our vision is to create a global supercomputer powered by artificial intelligence and blockchain technology. This is accomplished by integration across all smart devices, thus creating a seamless experience that effectively and efficiently serves the needs of its users. This sounds a lot like Skynet 2.0. If anyone's seen Terminator, this is a bit scary. You want to connect all computers to serve us? Isn't that what happened in Terminator? And to serve us, the computers decided that they needed to kill us because we were our own worst enemy and our own biggest threat for the Earth. That's pretty sure that's what happened in Terminator. Either way, look, it's a little 40-second video, so I think we've got time to watch this.
Imagine a world with a global computational grid, more powerful than a supercomputer. Imagine a world where anyone can profit by joining a massive processing and storage platform. Imagine a world where data is fully secure and data breaches are no longer a threat. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence becomes accessible to all and produces powerful insights. Imagine IAGON.
IAGON. Imagine IAGON. I love that little video. I like that it's nice and short. It is very, wow, have a look at this. But it's 40 seconds, so it's already won my vote. How it works, decentralized and secure cloud platform. I'm going to let you guys go ahead and read all that. I don't need to sit here and read for you. This isn't dictation in class. You need to write things down. So artificial intelligence, integrated dApps, mining, smart contracts, decentralized, secure storage. Oh, excuse me. Blockchain, Tangle. Utilizing hybrid blockchain and Tangle technologies, we aim to revolutionize decentralized storage and processing. I'm sorry. BIA does that. Roadmap. Our development roadmap for the next year. Follow the innovative path of IAGON's revolution. Okay, so in 2017, September, platform design architecture. October, platform development kickoff. White paper presentation. Platform launch. Platform launched in December last year. Awesome. They have a prototype. Pre-ICO, April this year. Okay, so the ICO isn't starting for a few months yet, which is good. Gives us lots of time. ICO is in May, smart contract May. What does that mean, smart contract May? Distributed storage in August, distributed processing in November, and integrated dApps January. So it's a fairly lengthy, January 2019 that is. So there's a big gap in there between November 18 and Jan 19. Oh, that's like 3 months actually, what am I talking about? Visualize roadmap, what does that do? IAGON. Are you an IAGON? Oh no, I am blue. Dabba dibba dibba. You remember the song? When you click, does it do anything? Did this actually do anything? Looks like it's doing something. My stream froze. There we go, we're back. Oh, wow, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Now what? Oh, okay, so, wow, what a waste of time. Why did you need to do this? What is the purpose of doing this? What? Ah, and it's on the IAGON logo. Awesome, but why? This would have taken a while to do. This doesn't look... It's pretty cool, I'll give him that. But I just don't see the purpose. I don't understand why you would do that. Anyway, let's move down. Let's have a look. IAGON crowdfunding efforts. So they're going to have a total of 1 billion tokens. The symbol is IAG. Looks like 50% of those are going to crowdfunding. Oh, look at that. You can click on that too. That's pretty cool. 20% to pre-sale, 10% internal team and advisors, and 10% to development team, and 10% for miners, miner incentive. Okay. Join the whitelist. We'll have that in the spreadsheet, guys, so you'll have a link to that there. Meet the team. We have worked really hard and are eager to showcase our exemplary innovation. Okay, let's have a look at these guys. Who are they, firstly? They may be the COO and the CEO. So let's have a look at the team, guys. Developers, marketing team, advisors, partnerships. Cool. I like all that stuff. Now, who are we looking at here? We are looking at Dr. Elad Harisan. Dr. Elad is a senior lecturer and researcher at the Department of Industrial Engineering and Management, IAGON, the University of Maastricht, Israel. Okay. Chief architect of IAGON, we know that. Senior lecturer, Shankar College, okay. Head, Dr. Harrison Consulting. College, engineering and design, professor in business and ICT, researcher, visiting researcher. Okay, nothing's really jumping out at me there. Why is my internet so slow? Navit Daliwal, founder, CEO at IAGON. Founder, CEO at Mjoza Tan Click. That looks Finnish. Oh, Norway. Close. Don't know what that is. Arbo Lab. Let's have a look at these two. But there's not much there. Not either of those are, really blowing me away. 5 followers, 1 employee. No. And 1 employee. Okay, that's a pass, double pass. Let's see what else we got here. We got developers. Let's have a look at their developers. Vignesh and Dr. Claudio Lima. Vignesh Ied is a project manager, and Dr. Claudio Lima is a CTO. New York. Computer vision and blockchain evangelist. Winjit, vice president. A techno function person. Okay, what's Winjit looking like? Winjit, 14 followers. I don't think so. 8 employees. Dr. Claudio Lima, Industrial Internet of Things, IoT, Enterprise Blockchain, Machine Learning, AI, Smart Grid. Okay, co-founder of BEC Blockchain Engineering Council, Blockchain Machine Learning AI, advisor of GIMA. Don't think they've had much success. Co-chair, IoT, Industrial Internet Consortium, IEEE, Smart Grid Steering Committee. Co-chair, Energy Storage. Okay, I think I've heard of that. Well, it's got a cool logo at the very least. Department of Energy, US Department of Energy. Oh yeah, okay. It's got a lot of stuff listed. None of it's just really jumping out at me. US Department of Commerce. He's worked for the government quite a bit. Sprint. Aren't they like a mobile? Okay, well, these guys are pretty big. We know that. Sorry guys, just a second. I need to close some stuff down. My computer is struggling. Sprint, AT&T, Horizon. Why do I hear those things all mentioned in the same phrase? They're all American telcos, I assume. Okay. Wow, he's got lots of stuff happening in his little page there. 42 employees, industrial consortium. Okay, not bad. IEEE overview, 7,800 employees. Okay, this guy seems like an all-star, guys. I'm not as strict as most in giving my all-star rating out. People can be awesome. Huobi Technology, Shenzhen, Guangdong District of China, 1,500,000 followers, 129,000 employees on LinkedIn. That is bloody massive. And what did he do there? He was a chief technology officer. Okay, he's an all-star. That's one we have. And that was Claudio. Now let's go on to Jao Porge and Vishal Waman. Jai is the CIO and Vishal is the project lead and full stack developer. Alrighty doodly then. AI and ML, BFSI, Enterprise, Web and Mobility. I don't know what any of those acronyms stand for. Winjit again, we saw that before, not much happening in there. This guy's going to be all Winjit, I can tell already. All Winjit, that's you know. Vishal, how you going Vishal? Winjit again. See guys, so a lot of this team must have all worked at a similar place and all come down together from Winjit. Let's have another look at Winjit, but I remember it not being too impressive. Winjit and Vishal, Priyanka and Parikh. Priyanka Parikh, which is blockchain business analyst, and Vijayta Bhatt. Oh yeah, Winjit's okay. 283 employees on LinkedIn. Well, that's a lot of people working there, but 200 clients across 44 countries. Okay. You sold me a little bit there with your Winjits. Your consistent Winjitting eventually got to me. Priyanka Parikh. I had a friend who was named Priyanka. And I had one called Priyankika. Blockchain solution architect, Morpheus network. Alright, they're doing some stuff now. Winjit again, Winjit. You've sold me with your Winjits. We've got two Priyankas open. Let's close one of them. Let's look at Vijayta Bhatt. Winjit again. Alright guys, so these guys clearly all know each other really well. They've all come from the same place. Let's look at marketing just quickly. See, you want to do a quick ICO review, but there's just so much to cover. You got to go through the team. It's essential, even if just briefly. It's definitely a necessary part. Slovenia. She went to uni in Dublin, in Ireland. One of our friends in Ireland. Project manager at IAGON Epic. Oh man, I didn't want to do that. 11 employees. That's a no. I want some names. Give me a big name. Give me an Intel. Give me a Microsoft. Give me a Google. Give me an Uber. Give me an Apple. That's what I want. That will sell me. No. No. Ingrid Sanchez, Pavlo Babenko, and Darko Angelovsky. Community manager at IAGON Universidad Centroamericana, Managua, in Nicaragua. Cool. Can't see her having much here. Not to be racist or anything. There isn't. Next, we have Pavlo Babenko. Just get the dark, I just saw it opens. Pablo is from the Ukraine. Federation of Employers in Tourism of Ukraine. Deputy Head of Council. No, mate. Local history, Ukraine community. No. Sorry. Freelance work. No, nothing there. That's them. Let's see the advisors. So we had one all-star and a few Winjits. Now we had like 3 or 4 Winjits. They did end up having lots and lots of, it's a big reputable organization. There's no denying that. With the amount of employees, they had 33,000 employees over 44 countries. So we're going to give that one whole point for all the rest of them. And then our Claudio, with his background and his credentials at Huawei will end up with the other all-star points. So they'll end up with 2 all-star points. Karine Zier, she's from Oslo, Norway. So they've got a really diverse team from all parts of the world. This is the advisor, venture developer, Zier & Co, co-founder, PR Venture, co-founder and chairwoman, board member, Zison. I'm not seeing much advising going on. US Army, Sohail Ahmed from Wichita, Kansas. CEO, Premier Express. CEO, S Plus LLC, Bangladesh. Medical Laboratory Specialist, US Army. Where are your advisory credentials? Global Head of Strategy, Boost. I'm not seeing advisory credentials. I want to see advisory credentials. That's what I want to see. Nah. You got people advising you, but they're not showing much business development. They could be amazing, they could be awesome, but I don't know that. I don't have a chance to have one-on-one interviews with each of these people for them to, you know, spit out their resume to me. I need to be sold here. J.K. Song, CEO of Ventura Sports. Let's have a look at Ventura Sports. That name rings a bell for some reason. Maybe I'm thinking of Ace Ventura. Search engine marketing consultant, traffic builders, Dell, trainee account manager. I don't think so. Intern. Advisors are weak, guys. Weak advisory board. No offense to any of you, including Chris Abdi, who is a cryptocurrency and blockchain technology enthusiast, client relationship and project management business developer. Being an advisor, client retention and customer manager, Block Lancer, owner, founder, Chris Abdi. You have your own website. That is awesome. Epoch Data Services. He worked in Nicaragua as well. A bit of a connection with the other Nicaraguan we had on the team. Liquor store manager. Now, if you're listing your liquor store manager credentials, then you're striving. Customer service agent. I'm sorry, Chris. You just aren't going to make our all-star team here. Neither is Ventura Sports. That means JK Song isn't. Did we do Peter? Last chance for a good advisor here. Experience, front end. You could be awesome, but Hanzo. I'm sorry, guys. You have zero advisors as far as I'm concerned. Again, this is just what I do. I could be completely wrong. I'm a self-proclaimed idiot. So, you know, do what you got to do. Do your own research here. Partnerships, Winjit. Well, I'm not shocked to see Winjit as a partner there, considering 80% of your employees come from this organization. Innovation Norway, Nuclear, I haven't heard of any of these. Bounty 0x, Oracle Gold. Okay, I'm going to start putting some stuff into the spreadsheet here, and we'll come back to it in a little bit as well to do the rest. This is IAGON, decentralized cloud. Shoot across. No. Team, we had 2. Let's get our score in there. Advisors, we had none. Many apologies. No, sorry. Now, let's have a look. Roadmap was there. We did that. Let's have a look at the community. Well, they've got Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, Reddit, YouTube, Medium, Steam, GitHub, Instagram, and Bitcoin Forum. That's, you know, lots of bases to spread yourself over. Whether it means much or not, I'm not too sure yet. Now, my community score is an accumulation of the Twitter score, Twitter followers, number of Twitter followers, which is 635. Ooh, they've got the token metrics there. Awesome. Plus Telegram, which is 481. So, guys, it's very, very, very small. Smaller than I would like to have any part in. However, in saying that, their ICO doesn't really begin until April. So, the guys have got a month to build their community. However, again, they're playing against some big players in this field here. Decentralized cloud storage is pretty big. Around the cloud. Vision has created a global supercomputer powered by. It's a massive vision, and if they can pull it off, awesome. Their logo is great. The website's really nice. You know, if they stand for anything. Let's look at the token metrics. IAGON token metrics. ERC 23223. So it's the next generation of Ethereum tokens. IAG is a ticker symbol. They have a pre-ICO price of 7 cents and 10 cents. And then an ICO price of 12. So we're going to go ahead and put the 12 cents USD in there with a hard cap of 77 million. So let's go 12. and hard cap was 77 million, which is pretty big. Really, that is a lot of money, and I dare to say that they are going to absolutely struggle to raise that kind of cash. That's what I believe. Now, in the Telegram, I'm pretty sure I saw some more information in regards to token stuff. I did, okay, so pre-ICO, 2nd of April is a pre-ICO, and then the official ICO is the 30th of April. I'll have all of these details in the spreadsheet, guys, so you can click and go ahead and sign into the white chain yourself. Pre-ICO will be done solely through Dragon Chain Inc., and only holders of Dragon tokens can participate in it. Please visit the Dragon Chain website for more information. Wow, okay, wow, I did not know this. What is that? So are they running on the Dragon network? It's an ERC20223 token. We'll dig into that. ICE token price per all 500 million tokens, 100. So what is the total number of tokens? 12 USD per all 500 million, 7 cents for 100 million. That many. Okay, let's have a look. Did we have a total number? I think 700. So that means there's 700 million tokens available during the pre-ICO, and also the, let's have a look at that again. Sorry, you guys can't see that, but 7 USD cents at 100 million, 10 USD cents at 100 million, and ICO price at 500 million. So that means they're going to have 700 million in their ICO. I don't know what percentage of this is. That's not going to get them any points there. That's going to get them low points there. And they are in infrastructure. That's not going to get them any points there. These guys are going to struggle to generate any points in here, guys. Yes, they definitely require the blockchain. Are they a game changer? No, there are many here before you. Decentralized, yes. And are they open source? Oh, it works. And do they have a prototype? I haven't yet to see a prototype at all. It does say that they have one. We can download the white paper. And let's have a quick look-see. So let me search anything if this is it. Oh, it does, great. Open. Okay, if the word open isn't coming up, that means they are not open sourced. Because if they were open sourced, then it would definitely tell us that they are. I know they're decentralized, it says that. They're not open source though, which isn't the best. They had a GitHub. Doesn't really say much. Let's have a look at token, purchase tokens. I've got team. IAGON total number of tokens. Okay, let's go ahead and enter the fact they are not open sourced. No. Get their scores into there. IAG. It's their ticker. Idea. Look, just based on its originality, not much, because there are others doing the exact same thing, and quite a few of them. However, it is a great idea if it can be pulled off, but there isn't going to be this many people. You know, there's not going to be 10 of these guys in the field in 5 years' time. You know, that's just not how it's going to work. In saying that, and the team is weak, I'm going to give them a 1, guys, because I wasn't impressed with the team very much. They had practically 0 all-star advisors as far as I was concerned. So, as a whole, as far as I can see this whole thing, they're going to get a 1 for that. Okay. Now, if I can find... No, search that one, please. Now, they weren't showing up in any ICO drops or any... Look, let's just assume if they have 700 million tokens here. This is going to be at least 1 billion or 2 billion in their total tokens. So they're not going to generate any points. Not at that rate right there. So I'm going to go ahead and give this guy his final score. Let's get that in there. Okay, we have that for the 12-cent token price. Prototype. We did not find the prototype either. Let's search for prototype in their white paper. That's a no. Let's search for alpha. Let's search for a beta version. IAGON's token and platform proven services without Ethereum-based blockchain beta version, proving the concept of blockchain-based distribution, computing, and storage grid. IAGON plans. Okay, so they have one. Can I see it? IAGON plans to support also the. Okay, they have a beta version. I'm gonna give them the points for that because it's rare in this day and age that people are at this stage without a prototype or anything. Plus, their roadmap did say they had one. Who did it? Interesting. Even if I did go ahead and give them a yes for this, let's see what their score would be, because I don't think they're going to fare very good with what's transpired already. And there you go. That's not a great score, guys. These are going to be zeros. If that's a 700 million, your total number of tokens is going to be very high, and it takes to be under, around the 200, 300 million token mark to get any points here. Let's see if 200 gets anything even. 200 will get you 0.66, it seems. Let's see if 300 gets you anything. It does not. So that's a 0 and a 0 here as well. So unfortunately, IAGON is going to fall down 58% in between Lumia and Faster. Lots of people loved Faster, but it just did nothing for me. It just wasn't a great project at all. Alright guys, that's done for that review. Again, I'm going to have all the links here, so you can go ahead and just come to the website if you want to do your own research here. Click the name and you will be able to be hyperlinked directly to the site. And from there you can have a look and do everything yourself. But as far as that goes, that's it. Cheers, thanks for tuning in. Please remember to subscribe down below, like, subscribe, share with your mates, join our Discord group, which I'll have linked in the bottom as well. And thank you so much for watching, and thanks for your support. There'll be more coming soon. Peace out.